Welcome to Munchko Friends. Today's word is carry. Carry means to hold something and walk with it. Look, I try to carry it. It feels heavy. I can't walk. It is too heavy. I can't carry it. Too heavy, I can't carry it. I try, but I can't carry it. Okay. I can't carry this bag. I carry the bear. I carry the bear. I carry the bear. I carry the bear. I carry the box. Carry. I carry the toy. Carry means walk and hold. Carry. Okay. Hey. It's Munchko Friends. Sing with me, come on, let's dance.
La la la.
When I say sing, S-A-N-G, Munchko Friends. Sing, S-A-N-G-O Friends. Munchko Friends. Dance with friends. Dance with friends. Munchko Friends.
We sing and dance again and again.
Yay! Look at
When
me. I carry my teddy. I hold it. I walk and carry it. I do not drop it. I keep carrying it. Carry is fun. I carry the bag. Carry the bag. Yes, carry. I carry the bag. Carry the bag. Carry means you hold it and walk. I carry the bag. Carry the bag. Carry the bag. Carry the bag. Carry.
Thanks for watching Munchko